real sunny today, huh?
Man, these humans, they're not really bringing us around as much.
Can't wait to see the sights.
Hey, Bob's flying off first.
Woohoo! See you guys on the other side.
Hey, what a coincidence, Bob.
Yeah, what a coincidence. How's your trip going?
I've been having so much fun. It's much better than staring at that ceiling back home.
Yes, definitely. Oh, I think my human's moving. See ya soon.
See ya!
Ooh, I see the other side. Looks fun.
Hey, glad you're joining us, Bob. Come on, man, join us.
Yes, put me there, human.
Hey, wait, where are you going? Hey, stop. No, this isn't the way to go. Oh no, where are we?
Where's everyone? What's happening? Why are we stopping here? Wait, no, stop. I don't know this place.
Oh hey, I'm back.
Here we go again. Back to that dark hole. Ooh, we are turning.
Hey guys, I'm back.